In this review, we have the Orion MotorTech No Spill Coolant Funnel Kit. This is going to be insane because I reviewed their oil kit before. You put your coolant in here and then you can fill up your radiator and all of that stuff without, dumping the bottle in there and being struggling and all of that stuff. This is how it comes in when it comes in the box. Open the lid, your O-rings, you have your connector, a regular funnel, extension with connector connected. All right, you guys, so you have your variety of connectors right here. Here goes the funnel right here. You have all the way up to 2,000 milliliters and then 75 ounces on this side. Stick right here, this is to plug it in. So that way you can stop water or radiator fluid from going down. Some reservoirs, they have a male thread, so this will definitely be good for that. So we are going to do an example, but just wanted to show y'all that. So first thing first, safety. Before you do anything with your radiator, make sure your car is cold, because if you just drive in your car and you open this has a lot of pressure and let's just say you will burn yourself. Okay, so it even have it right here, caution and all of that. It will say that on all radiator caps, caution and all of that. It should say it on all radiator caps, but my car is cold, so this is a Toyota. We're twisting off, and then there you go. Now in my reservoir right there, I am losing coolant, so I think I have a leak somewhere, and we will figure that out. A lot of times it's your cap. You may need to get a new cap, and that's what we might have to do. So yeah, but I'll get into that later. All right, this is my Toyota Camry. So we look at the top, should fit. Oh, because the height of this is stopping me, that's why. Okay, so I'm just going to take that washer off, and I'll leave the O-ring right there. Alright, so I took that washer off. Now we're fit on there. Alright, so this is what I had to take off. Now we're fit. Now you could do one or two things. You can hook it up like that, or again, if you are in a different situation, you can take this off, grab your two 45s. You can 45 like that, and then 45 up. All right, and again, that's if you are in a different situation for your radiator. All right, you guys, gonna pour some water in. All right, water is going in, and then you can put your plug right here. All right, and I think I should have pushed more in on that 45. All right, that's better. I'm not in all the way on my 45, so that's why I was leaning back. All right, so I could put that like that, and as you can see, no water is leaking. Well, no water is dripping from here, and then you can lift up. Water is running right on down. Now the water stopped. We have no drips down here. No drips at all, you guys, and the water has stopped. They said this is an oil funnel, but if you need to fill up your reservoir, that will be a good way to do it, so you're not spilling fluid everywhere. This side, it will be different because we are working with a Ford, okay? So our reservoir has a thread. So what you want to do is grab your fitting. All right, so we got a large fitting. All right, so I might have to take the washer off again. Let me see. Or I might have to get a different fitting. So let me try one of the blue ones. All right, so that one is perfect. I could tell. So that's perfect right there. Thread it on. All right. You thread that on, and then what you want to do is you take it off of your fitting here, and then you place it on here. Now again, that's if you're in a rough situation. If you want to, you can just use the purple extension. If you just want it high, so we could take this off like that. Take that off, and I'm still using it with water on the inside. I'm not going to put no water in, you guys. All right. Just showing y'all an example. Taking that off. You can just put it on just like that. Or if you want to use your extension, you can use your extension however you want to do it. Just like that. All right. And yeah, so we have the other fittings. My Dodge used the hex fitting. So this is the one my Dodge used. Dodge Avenger. It used this hex right here. And whatever car uses this one. So I know my Dodge Avenger uses this one because I just did my radiator bull crap. All right, so I just changed the thermostat and all of that. So mine uses this one, but that's about it, you guys. All right, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.